Hi there. When you run into something with your car, fragile, expensive front-end parts are going to be damaged or dinged up. I'm going to show you ways to fix these. The upper cover, pretty pricey, came through unscathed, we'll reuse. The upper grille, though, will need to be replaced. The largest part, the bumper cover, a bit beaten and battered, but looks reusable. The lower grille, a kind of a flimsy, overpriced part, it's beat up a little, but we're going to try to fix it. The lower deflector sits underneath the car, I will reuse. Here's the piece that's damaged. This piece fits here like this. Dinged up pretty bad, we'll see what we can do with it. I'm going to try out this JB Weld plastic bonder for the first time. So we're going to do this in stages. Stage 1, I'm going to affix it back here. What I'm going to do here is drill a small hole in here. And just leave the drill bit in there like that. And that'll hold it in place. This is the only color I could find of this plastic bonder. Going to be kind of a mismatch. Came out more than I wanted, but we'll use it up somewhere. Okay, so now we're just going to open this up a little bit. This gap up here a little bit, stick it in there. And let it go back where it belongs. To improve our bond, we'll put some more on the outside here as well. So here we are, it's about maybe an hour later. It's solid. It's fused together. And it's dry and hard. So what we'll do then is we'll just continue, work our way across. Here's the next one we're going to bond. And here, split here too. Put on both surfaces. And then just kind of lash it together. Doesn't have to be absolutely perfectly aligned. Solid as can be. So we'll just apply some more bonder and then clamp these all the way. One thing I've noticed is that it doesn't come out evenly all the time, more on one side than the other, which could result in a weakened batch. Okay, once you apply this, you do have a set time of about 15 minutes. As I touch this up with some paint, you'll notice I used a few zip ties in there to reinforce this exceptionally flimsy part. I may take those off later after it's fully installed. I wound up spraying the entire thing satin black to keep it looking consistent. Now we're going to take care of some wheel well covers that were basically torn out at the crash scene. These are attached to the underside of the deflector in the front, part of the assembly that had to be removed in order to tow the car. So I got the two pieces here. You can see there's where they were torn out. And I stitched them together with some small black wire ties. And then we'll use an adhesive in here later on to hold them better in place. And just find a drill bit slightly bigger than the zip tie. And then just thread it through. Just loosely. I'm going to loosely tighten this for now. I'm going to add a couple more. Put one here. maybe one here and here. Add 3 more. Okay, so we're going to spread E6000 around here. It's flexible, and I'll just go some on here, some on my glove, and just cover all the joints with it. From both sides. Now you can cinch these up, get where you want it, tighten them up. I'm not even going to still tighten these absolutely all the way just yet, but wait till this is dry. Let's get it in proximity here. Where the joints all contact, so the glue can hold there. Here's the passenger side in 3 parts. We'll stitch these together. On the passenger side. Sometimes the impact can bend or distort these parts and they won't fit together properly. So we're going to carefully use some heat, and then when they get warmed up and nice and softened up, then we're going to brace them so that they'll stay there as they cool in the desired position. Should be good. Okay, now just keep. And we'll just clamp it over here too. I'm happy with that. Not perfect, but heat does help when you have the parts a little bit dinged up. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.